So what is a spreadsheet? So a spreadsheet is a piece of software for organizing and analyzing information in a tabular form. And I'm using Microsoft Excel, but all spreadsheets generally behave a similar sort of way. You can see here we go, wherever I move the mouse, I select what's called a cell. So I have a number of different cells. I can use the arrow keys to move around and select different cells. Then each cell is part of a column. So you can see this cell is part of column E, and also a row. So this one's part of row 7. So that actually has an address system called E7. And look, there it is in the top left, E7. Let's now put some data in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pretend I've got the results of a maths quiz. So I'm going to put the name of the person, and then I'm going to put the result. So we've got Bob, who got 78. We got Julie, who got 55. We got Graham, who got 91. We got Brian, who got, we got Brian, who got 86. And finally, we got Kerry, who got 84. There we go. So we've got a series of results in there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some quick things. This isn't really for you to learn how to do it. We've got another class for that. But this is really just to see the power of a spreadsheet. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to change this so now that the results are nice and in the middle. I'm going to just resize it. I'm going to create a nice border around here. So I'm not using any of the power of Excel at the moment, power of this spreadsheet, apart from just making these results look pretty. So let's put a thick border around it. Maybe I want this to be colored in blue. There we go. Let's make that a little bit bigger. I might want to make that slightly bigger text. There we go. And so you can really manipulate the look and feel of the data. Now, I haven't actually used any of the power of the mathematics of this tool. So what I could do is I could put now in a formula, and I'm going to now put in a formula to get the average result. So I'm just going to, there we go, and then divide it by 5. So what I've done is I've put in a formula there to give me the average result. There we go, and let's just move that there like that. So a spreadsheet allows me to put information into cells. I can then rearrange those cells. I can make them look prettier. I can make it so that it's a nice, pretty thing to display. I can do maths to it. I can turn that information into graphs, into charts, and we'll explore all of this in the later classes. But there we go. That's an introduction to a spreadsheet.